If Claude is showing a Gmail error, the fastest way to fix it is usually to fully reset the Google permission and then reconnect from scratch. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to clear the old access, remove any stale local token, and reconnect Gmail properly so Claude can authenticate again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, we're going to reset the Google permissions. Open your browser and go to your Google account connections page at myaccount.google.com/connections. This page shows all the apps and services that currently have access to your Google account. Once the page loads, look through the list for Claude or Claude for Gmail. You may see it listed under third-party apps or connected services. When you find it, click Remove Access. This step is important because it completely revokes the active token that Claude is using to connect to Gmail. If the token is corrupted, expired, or stuck in a bad state, removing access forces Google to forget that old connection. Think of this as wiping the slate clean so you can start fresh. After that, open Claude and go to Settings. Inside Settings, find the Connectors tab. This is where Claude manages external services like Gmail and other integrations. In the Connectors area, locate the Gmail integration and click Disconnect next to it. Even though you already removed access from Google, this extra step helps Claude clear its side of the connection too. That way, both sides are reset properly. Now, if you're using a local environment or Claude code, there's one more thing you should do. Delete the local token folder, which is typically located at OAuth Gmail MCP. This folder can store cached authentication data, and if that data is outdated, Claude may keep trying to use the broken connection again and again. Removing the folder clears out any saved token files, so the next login starts clean. Once that's done, restart your Claude application, or if you're working in a terminal, restart your terminal session as well. Restarting is important because it makes sure Claude forgets the old session and reloads the connector state from scratch. If you skip this step, the app might still hang on to the previous broken authentication. After the restart, go back to the connectors menu in Claude and click Connect again for Gmail. This will launch a fresh OAuth authorization flow. Follow the prompts carefully, choose the correct Google account, and approve the permissions when Google asks. This new connection should replace the old broken one and restore Gmail access inside Claude. If everything was done correctly, Claude should now reconnect to Gmail without the error. At this point, test the integration by opening Gmail-related features again and confirming that the connection works normally. In most cases, this full reset solves login problems, access issues, and repeated authentication errors. So to recap, the fix is simple. Remove Claude from your Google account connections, disconnect Gmail inside Claude, delete the local token folder if needed, restart the app or terminal, and reconnect with a fresh OAuth flow. That sequence clears out the bad permission and gives you a clean new connection. If this video helped you fix the Claude Gmail error, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.